Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Maths online class. I am Savio, Maths teacher, Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Palladam. 9th standard mathematics. We are discussing chapter 1, set language. Already we completed exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. Today we are going to start the next exercise, that is set operations. In this set operation, we are going to learn union of two sets, intersection of two sets, complement of a set, after that difference between two sets, and also we are going to learn the Venn diagram. This is only very important thing. This Venn diagram we are going to learn in this exercise. So before we are going to start the union, intersection, complementation of set, we'll do a exercise 1.3 basic problems. In the exercise 1.3, first we will do the two Roman number sums. After that I will explain what is meant by union, intersection, complementation and set difference. These things and all I will explain through the definition. Look at the first question. Using the given Venn diagram, here they are given the Venn diagram. This is only called Venn diagram. We are representing the sets inside the universal set. This is set A, this is set B. This circle, what are the numbers we are written? That numbers are the elements of set A. In the second circle, what are the numbers they are written? That is the elements of set B. We are going to list the elements of A, B, A union B, A intersection B, A difference B, B difference A dash, B dash and universal set. First we are going to write the elements of set A. The element of set A case, you have to take the full circle A. What are the elements we are seeing? 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. So the elements of set A equals to 2, 4, 7, 8 and 10. Next, elements of set B. Take this circle. What are the elements we are seeing? 3, 4, 7, 11, 6, 9. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 3, 4, 7, 6, 7, 9 and 11. That's only written here. After that, the third one is A union B. A union B is this two circle. We are taking all the elements. What are the elements we are written in the two circles? That all the elements we are going to take. That is only A union B. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 10 and 11. So these are the elements. Sorry students, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 8 and 11. So take these elements. Suppose you are changing this order, that is not a problem. Don't forget, we have to take all the elements inside this two circle. After that, A intersection B. This A intersection B, carefully you have to see. These two circles are intersecting one another. That place you have only two elements, that is 4 and 7. A intersection B equals to 4, 7. So this is very basic. A, B, A union B, A intersection B. After that, A difference B. In this A difference B, here we have the two circle. You hide the circle B fully. What are the elements you are seeing? 2, 10, 8. So A difference B is 2, 10, 8. In another way also we can do this. First write the set A. After that write the set B. Strike out the elements in both the sets. 4 and 7. After that see the elements in A. 2, 8, 10. This B difference A also very simple. A difference A, we are writing the remaining elements in set A. B difference A, we have to write the remaining elements in set B. What are the elements we have? 3, 6, 9. That's only written here. B difference A. In another one more way also we can write, you hide the circle A. What are the numbers we are seeing? Hide the circle A. What are the elements we are seeing? 3, 6, 9 and 11. That's only written here. 3, 6, 9 and 11. After that, A dash. In this A dash case, we have to subtract the set A from the universal set. Before that, we have to write the elements of universal set. Look at the rectangle. In the rectangle box, what are the numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. So these numbers only the elements of set. We are going to list the elements of universal set. We have to take all the elements inside the rectangle box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12. That's only written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. After that, we are going to write A dash and B dash. This A dash case is very simple. We are subtracting the elements of A from the universal set. That time we have to hide this circle A. That means you should not take the elements 4, 7, 2, 10, 8. Write the remaining elements 1, 3, 6, 9, 11 and 12. That's only written here. A dash 1, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12. I repeat it. You should not take the elements of A when the case of A dash. Write the remaining elements 1, 3, 9, 6, 11 and 12. After that, the B dash case, you should not take the elements of B. What are the remaining elements? 1, 2, 10, 8, 12. That's only written here. 1, 2, 8, 10, 12. Another method also we can do this. I'll explain it later. Students, I hope you can understand how to write the elements from the given Venn diagram. So this way of representing the sets inside the elements, union, intersection, universal set, this is only called a Venn diagram. Second Roman number, sum in the exercise 1.3. Look at the question. Find A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A for the following. First I will explain this. After that I will give the definition for A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A. Look at the question here. The second Roman number, first question. Set A elements are 2, 6, 10, 14. Set B elements are 2, 5, 14 and 16. First we are going to write the A union B. First we have to write the set A union set B. Union is nothing but very simple. We have to join the two elements 2, 5, 6, 10, 14 and 16. Here 2 times one number they are given means you have to write only one time. That is only A union B. In easy way of understanding, you have to join the two sets. A intersection B, write the set A, after that write the set B. Here pick the common elements in the two sets. What are the common elements we have? 2, 14, only the common elements in the two sets. That is only A intersection B. After that, A difference B. I said in the previous first Roman itself, another way of doing A difference B is first write the set A, after that write the set B. Strike out the common elements. This is 14. What are the remaining elements in set A? 6 and 10. That is only the A difference B. B difference A also very simple. Write the remaining elements in the set B. What are the remaining elements? 5 and 16. Look at the second question. The elements of set A equals to A, B, C, E, U. Set B elements are A, E, I, O, U. A union B. Join the two sets A, B, C, E, U union A, E, I, O, U. A, B, C, E, I, O, U. The order of the set is doesn't matter. That means you can change the element also. A intersection B, we have to write the common elements in set A and B. What are the common elements we have? A, E and U. That's only I written here A, E, U. A difference B, write the two sets A and B. After that strike out the common elements. E also we have, strike it. After that U we have, write the remaining elements in set A, that is A difference B. What are the remaining elements? B and C. Write the remaining elements in set B. What are the remaining elements we have? I and O, that is only B difference A. Look at the third question. In the second Roman number, A equals to x such that x belongs to natural number x less than or equal to 10, and B equals to x such that x belongs to whole number x less than 6. The previous two sums, they are given the elements of the set A and B. Here they are given the condition. First you have to write the elements of set A and B. First you will write the elements of set A, x such that x belongs to natural number x less than or equal to 10. We know very well the natural number begins with 1. You have to write up to 10 because less than or equal to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the elements of set A. Set B elements are x belongs to whole number x less than 6. That means we should not take the number 6. The whole number begins with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, another one simple method. First write the elements of A and B in the Venn diagram. First always you have to write the intersection part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should not take the number 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we have to write the common elements in the set A and B. What are the common elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This element we should write in the intersection part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, what are the remaining elements in set A? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only written here. What are the remaining elements in set B? 0. After that, easily we can do the 4 operations A union B, A intersection B. First we will write A union B. Take all the elements in the two circles 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A intersection B, write in the intersection part. The two circles are intersecting, that is the part. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the numbers in the two sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, A difference B. Very simple. Hide the circle B. What are the elements we are seeing? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, B difference A. Hide the circle fully. We have only one element, that is 0. So this is a very simple way we can write the A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A. Fourth question. Set A equals to set of all letters in the word mathematics. Set B, the set of all letters in the word geometry. First we have to write the elements of set A. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. The elements should not be repeat. Keep it in your mind. Set B elements are G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. The Venn diagram method will do this. First draw the two circles and write the common elements in both the sets. E, T, M are the letters in the both the sets. After that, write the remaining elements in set A, A, H, I, C, S. After that, write the remaining elements in set B, G, O, R, Y. From this, easily we can write A union B. You have to write all the elements in two circles. A, H, I, C, S, E, T, M, G, O, R, Y. A intersection B, common elements in both the sets, that is ETM. You can write MTE also. The order is doesn't matter. A difference B. The A difference B, you have to hide the circle B. What are the remaining elements? AHICS. That's only written here. AHICS. Next, after that, B difference A. What are the elements we have? GORY. That's only written here. A difference B is AHICS. B difference A is GORY. Students, I hope you all understand the first Roman number and the second Roman number. Sums in exercise 1.3. Now I am going to give the definition. Before we are going to start the definition, I will give the introduction about the Venn diagram. John Venn was an English mathematician. He only invented the Venn diagram, which is pictorially represent the relations between sets. Venn diagram are used in the field of set theory, probability, statistics, logic and computer science. So who invented the Venn diagram? John Venn. We are writing in the diagrammatic way. That is only called Venn diagram. So when I explain the sums, that time you can understand the Venn diagram thoroughly. First I will explain union of two sets. What is meant by union of two sets? The sum wise we understand the concept. Now we are going to learn the definition. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. That's only we are in the Venn diagram. In the two circle elements we are writing. It is denoted by A union B. You have to read this as A union B. This is the symbol. Mathematically we are expressing A union B. Here they are given one important note. This all the note they are given in the text. Nowadays you not have the text in your hand. Just write it in the classwork note without fail. Then only you can easily do the sum, the exercise and then upcoming exercise also. A dash of dash equals to set A. U dash, that is universal set dash equals to null set. Null set dash equals to universal set. Keep it this note in your mind. Through a Venn diagram, they represented the two sets. This is the universal set. Set A, set B. Set A and B have a common elements. Set A and B have the common elements means we have to draw the Venn diagram like this. Suppose set A and B not have the common element means the two sets are disjoint set. Already we discussed in exercise 1.2. Overlapping set or disjoint set. Here they are given one example. P equals to Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. Set Q equals to Europe, North America and South America. Then the union of P and Q. Two sets we are joining: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia and Europe, North America, South America. Suppose we are taking the intersection means there is no common element. That means it is a null set. After that they are given another note. A union A equals to A. A union null set equals to A. A union universal set equals to U. That means universal set where A is any subset of universal set U. A is a subset of A union B and B is a subset of A union B. A union B equals to B union A. This two sets is commutative. Any order you can do, you will get the same elements. That's only they are given here. Look at the intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. Look at this Venn diagram. The shaded region. This is representing the elements are in both A and B. That's only they are given. A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection. You have to read it as intersection. This is the simplest way. Through a Venn diagram, they represent this. So already I explained this in elaborated way. The exercise 1.2, no need to explain in the